Samsung unveiled a credit card just before its big Unpacked event this week. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The Samsung Galaxy card is not as exciting as reveal as a new foldable, but it could be useful for company diehards. That's because it gives a decent amount of cash back when you buy Samsung products. By using this card, users will get a 5% cash reward on eligible purchases made directly with Samsung. This can add up. The entry-level Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 costs $1,500, which would give purchasers $75 as a cash reward. Users will also get a $200 cash reward if they spend $2,000 with the card within the first 90 days of an account opening. That's basically a 10% cash reward, although being saddled with $1,800 of debt doesn't sound too fun. Otherwise, there's a 3% cash reward on purchases made with Samsung Wallet and a 2% reward on streaming service payments. Finally, all other purchases receive a 1% cash reward, and the card offers a 20% discount on Samsung's VIP Advantage loyalty warranty platform. The card will be available from July 22nd, and on that date, consumers can apply online or at any Samsung retail store to get it. Samsung's latest Unpacked presentation is happening on that same day. The company is likely introducing a whole bunch of new gadgets throughout the event, which should offer multiple opportunities to get that 5% cash reward. Samsung isn't the only big tech company with its own credit card. The Apple Card has been around for years, and Amazon also has multiple branded credit cards. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.